Generalized momentum conjugate to cyclic coordinate is conserved. As we have discussed in previous topic, the generalized momentum. So let us consider a conservative system, and the Lagrangian equation for such a system is, for a conservative system, the Lagrangian equation is d by dt of partial by partial qi dot of L minus partial L by partial qi is equal to 0. Now if qi is cyclic, as we have said that to the cyclic coordinate, so qi is cyclic, therefore partial L by partial qi is equal to 0. So we are left with d by dt of partial L by partial qi dot is equal to 0. This implies that d by dt of partial L by partial qi dot is equal to this implies that partial L by partial qi dot is equal to constant. This partial L by partial qi dot, just in previous topic we said that it is the generalized moment. Now assume we don't know anything about the generalized momentum. So consider the motion of a particle in x axis along one dimension, and consider the generalized coordinate bx. That is, let us say a spring is attached to a mass is attached to a spring and it is oscillating only in one dimension. So our generalized coordinate be x. So we will have d by dt of partial L by partial x dot minus partial L by partial x is equal to 0. Now if x is cyclic, then partial L by partial x is equal to 0. So we have d by dt of partial L by partial x dot is equal to 0. This implies that partial L by partial x dot is equal to constant. So let us just call this as our equation number 2. But we know that L is the difference between kinetic energy and potential energy. So partial L by partial x dot is equal to partial by partial x dot of t minus v. This will become equal to partial by partial x dot of t minus partial by partial x dot of v. Potential energy is independent of velocity. For a conservative system, potential energy does not depend on velocity. So we have this term will become equal to 0, and partial L by partial x dot is equal to kinetic energy is partial by partial x dot of 1 by 2 m x dot squared. So this will become equal to partial L by partial x dot is mx dot, which actually is linear momentum pi. So partial L by partial x dot is equal to pi. This is equation number 3. From 2 and 3, linear momentum of this system is constant. Similarly, from equation number 1, partial L by partial qi dot is generalized momentum So partial L by partial Q I dot is equal to generalized momentum is constant. So when we assume that we consider the cyclic coordinate, then its momentum canonical momentum conjugate will always be conserved. So the generalized momentum of the system happens to be conserved. That was it. Thank you so much.